Here is Dr. Yaman Shihabi. Today I would like to talk about cough causes and diagnosis. It's a mechanism of self-cleaning of the breathways. It's abnormal when it lasts more than 3 weeks, associated with fever, shortness of breath, or hemoptysis. Causes normally when it has a yellow-greenish color. It's due to bronchitis, pneumonia, or tuberculosis. When it has a brown color, it's due to pneumonia, heart failure. When it has a glassy bottom, that's due to asthma. When it has foamy reddish color, it's due to lung edema.